Welcome to my birthday!
Okay, step back, here comes the queen. I'm in charge, don't mess with me. I wear the crown, so kiss the ring. Hallelujah, keep praising me. Tell me now, who's the boss? I got this thing on lock. Everybody can't get enough. Slap that bass and funk me up. I'm so lit, I feel like fire. I'ma come and take it high. You've been waiting for this. Tell me I'm the
Si Ate Clover mabait yan. Naasahan yan sa pag-aalaga kay Kylie. Top, mabait na ate.
Just watch me now. I'ma show you how I do. Just watch me now. Just watch me, just watch me, just watch
Hi Clover, happy 7th birthday. Wish ko lang, you're the first doctor in the family.
Yes! Mahal na mahal ka namin.
It's all fun, it's entertainment. Just watch me, I'ma be famous. Got my name in the sparkling lights. I'ma do this every night. So glossy from afar. Who's that girl? She must be a star. Can't help but stop and stare. Everybody's new.
Birthday Clover, wish ko sa'yo maging mabait kang bata. Lagi kang sumunod ka nila mama at papa. Ayun lang, mag-aral mabuti.
You've been waiting for this. Tell me I'm the queen. All eyes on me.
Masasabi ko naman kay Clover, kahit lagi kami nag-aaway, love na love ko pa rin siya. Tapos, kahit na inaaway niya yung kapatid niya, mabait pa rin siya.
Just watch me, just watch me.
Happy birthday, Clover. Sana lumaki kang mabait. Tapos patuloy mo sila mama at papa mo, tsaka makinig ka sa kanila. Yun lang.
Just watch me. It's showtime.
Well, ayaw niyan umabsent palagi kahit minsan inaasma na siya sa gabi. Papasok na rin ako, mama. Nasipag mag-aral.
Step back, here comes the queen.
Ang gusto ko lang naman sana, magkaroon siya magandang health sa, tapos mag-enjoy lang siya sa life. Huwag siya masyadong ma-pressure sa, kasi nandito kami ni Mami para sa kanya. Dadabayan namin siya, so enjoy life. Ayun lang, happy birthday, and mahal ka namin ni Mama.
Love you, baby.
Just watch me, just watch me, just watch me now.
Happy birthday, Clover!
Love you!
Mama!
Bye!
Just watch me now. Just watch me.